What's up, creators? It's Demo once again, and let's transform this image from this to this in just a few clicks. So today I'm going to teach you on the top secret of selective color that will make your photos look vibrant and more sharp. So let's get into it. Let me teach you on how to use selective color. So first and foremost, create a new layer by clicking Ctrl J. Then once you click Ctrl J, you come to the adjustment section over here and search for selective color, then click it. Once you click it, the colors that you're going to adjust will appear over here. And for instance, let's work with black. The hair is black, and the lashes, the eyebrows are black. So let's focus on them. So first you come here on colors, we click there, then we go to blacks. So once we go to blacks, we are going to adjust the blacks on this last layer over here. We increase. As you increase, make sure your focus is on the photo, on the image, so that you can see the intensity of it. So yeah, I think we are okay with that. Now this is where the magic happens. So as you increase the blacks, remember that you're not affecting the hair alone. You are also affecting other areas that are not black but are in a dark color, like the coat. You can see before and after. You have affected the coat that she's wearing. You're also affecting the shadows on our subject. So we want to focus on the hair alone, and lashes and eyebrows. So what are you going to do about it, to correct about it? Click Ctrl I. Basically that's inverting, and it will create a mask over here. Then make sure your brush settings are default, opacity at 100, flow 100, then zoom in. So as we zoom in, we are going to target these areas alone. So let's brush over it like this. As you can see here, as we brush, there's a difference over here, the selective color. So let's brush over it, brush on the dark areas alone. I normally use this on my hair. We're focusing on the hair today. I'll make another video to show you on how we will do it on different colors. You just brush the areas that you feel black. You need black to be dominant, and you need that intensity on them. Zoom in and brush on these ones, even these, the eye, the black side of the eye, this one, the eyebrows, lashes, the eye. Yeah, so what have we done? We have avoided impacting other places with the blacks, but only the hair that we wanted to be darker. So let's see before. That's before, and that's after. Before, after. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you want to watch more of this, you can watch my videos on TikTok, on YouTube, and see you on the next one. Thank you.